To add an LLC to Shopify and set up your online store, follow these steps. Create a Shopify account. Sign up. Go to the Shopify website and click on Start Free Trial. Provide your email address, create a password, and enter your store name. Set up store information. Business details. After logging in, navigate to Settings, General. Enter your LLC's legal name, business address, and contact information. Add products. Product listings. Go to Products, add product to list your items. Include descriptions, prices, and images. Configure payments. Payment providers. Under Settings, Payments, set up payment methods for processing transactions. You may link your LLC's business bank account and choose payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or third-party processors. Set up shipping. Shipping settings. Go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery to configure shipping rates and methods according to your LLC's needs. Customize your store. Design. Choose a theme from the Shopify theme store or customize your own. Adjust the design to fit your LLC's branding. Review legal pages. Policies. Create legal pages such as privacy policy, return policy, and terms of service under online store pages. Launch your store. Go live. After configuring all settings and ensuring everything is accurate, remove the password protection to make your store live.